Good morning, Cicada. My name is John Elliott, your news host man this afternoon on Cicada News 1. We are live with Air 2 being flown by Captain Waves, where he is flying above a robbery at Southside Pub. Let's go to the action live now, where you can hear all communication on the radio between pilot and ground units.
Alright, this is A2 on scene Southside robbery. There's a pink Ford van.
Isn't it continuing?
User joined your channel.
Can I get some units to Southside Pub?
Or 2. Continuing to speed cam 2. Right now. Man shot 3 officers approximately. And looks like he's stopping to get out and killing another one.
10-4 key visual, Deputy 21+1 is going to be at CCAM 2, 5 seconds.
There's a blue Taurus and a purple Taurus and a black dot.
20.
Speed cam 5 or 2, I'm sorry.
Is there only 10-8 units, or is it all involved in that chase?
Most of them are dead.
Oh,
Heading towards Gas House. Mostly on the Taurus because he killed multiple officers.
10-4.
Continuing. Gas house now.
channel.
Subfire.
Be advised, he's telling you to wave off.
Passing door.
Officers at Gas and Pawn, can you stop that pink van, please? He robbed Southside Pub.
Up at one.
Spikes.
He's good.
Everyone's taking shots. Everyone's taking shots.
Go ahead and stop him. He robbed.
User was moved out of left channel.
Yeah, well done.
Tail rotors in here.
He robbed Southside Pub.
I think that's 16.
One suspect down.
10-4. Good job.
Gert, get in. Gert.
The suspect was later arrested for 2 years for robbing a pub in order to pay a fine of $25,000 to the business owner. He is now on a rehab program to help him in the future with his social life. My name has been John Elliott and this has been Cicada News 1. Thank you, Cicada Police, for this live coverage. Have a good day, citizens of Cicada.